If you're looking to turn your knowledge into a sellable course, you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to take what you already know and turn it into a profitable online course that others will want to buy. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap on how to go from idea to launch. First, start by defining the core topic of your course. Think about what you're an expert in, whether it's business, cooking, fitness, or something else, and narrow it down to a specific problem you can solve for your audience. The more specific your topic, the easier it will be to create a course that provides value. Next, break your knowledge down into manageable chunks. Think of your course as a journey. What steps do your students need to take to solve their problem? This is where you map out the lessons and modules. Each lesson should teach a single concept, and each module should be focused on a clear outcome. This structure will help your course stay organized and easy to follow. Once you've got your content broken down, it's time to start creating the course itself. You don't need fancy equipment. Just start by recording videos that explain the lessons. Keep them short, to the point, and focused on delivering value. Make sure your video and audio quality are clear enough for your students to follow easily. And don't worry about perfection, just get the content out there, and you can always improve it later. If you want to take your course to the next level, you can add extra materials like worksheets, quizzes, or downloadable resources. These can really help your students grasp the concepts and give them something to apply after each lesson. Interactive elements like quizzes also make the course more engaging and increase completion rates. Now, let's talk about platforms. You could build your own website, but that requires technical know-how and a lot of time. Instead, use software designed for course creation. Our software makes it easy to host and sell your course with just a few clicks. It's designed to help you focus on creating your content, not on complicated tech issues. You can even offer drip content, where students get access to new lessons over time, keeping them engaged. Speaking of software, I've tried out all the most popular course building platforms, and I've found one that's simple yet powerful. I've included an exclusive free trial for you in the description below. This free trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to check it out if you want to follow along while you create your course. After you've built your course, it's time to price it. Consider what similar courses are charging, but also think about the value you're offering. Don't sell yourself short. Price it for what it's worth. If your course delivers high value and solves a real problem, your audience will be willing to pay for it. When your course is ready, it's time to start marketing. The key to selling your course is building an audience first. Use social media, email newsletters, or even a blog to attract potential students. You can also leverage free content like tutorials or mini courses to give people a taste of what they'll get in your paid course. Here's the key takeaway. The most important thing when turning your knowledge into a sellable course is to break it down into bite-sized, digestible lessons that solve a specific problem. Make sure to focus on clarity and provide value every step of the way. To quickly recap, choose a clear, specific topic. Break your content into lessons and modules. Use software to simplify the tech side of things. Price your course based on value and market it to an engaged audience. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description to follow along with the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.